Hello everyone, Deb Floros, guest designer for Art Beads. I think these are going to be my new favorite earrings. I've got two different shapes of nun design hammered copper findings, and I grabbed the exclusive designer palette Toho Seed Bead Mix, and these are so incredibly beautiful. They look like colors from the Southwest. I've got some 24 gauge wire, and I'm going to be creating 3 wraps around the bottom of that triangle. I'm going to cut and use my chain nose pliers to cinch up that wire against the component. Then I'm going to string on 3 patterns of those seed beads. So 1, 2, 3, 4 colors, so that you have 12 beads. And then I'm going to wrap those beads on the wire around that bottom part of the component. It goes around about 2.5 to 3 times. And I want it to create just a little bit of a cluster in the center of that bottom of the triangle. Then I'm going to secure it by wrapping 3 more times, just the wire, around the other side of that cluster. And then I'm going to cinch it up nicely, trim off my excess, and make sure that everything's all tight and secure. I love that little cluster. It looks so pretty. So I'm going to be attaching it to this other component, but we're going to wrap beads around this component as well. More 24 gauge wire, and I'm going to start up next to the left of the loop. You can start to the right if you prefer. And I'm going to string on 2 patterns of the beads for a total of 8 beads. And if you wanted, you could use all the same color. You could, do a wrap with one color, then a wrap with another color. There's so many variations here. But I'm wrapping those beads around and wrapping the wire around 3 times. And I'm going to be creating 3 of those little seed bead loops around each side of that loop up top of the component. I'm also going to create 2 wrapped bead sections at one side of that bottom of the component. Then I'm going to leave a little bit of a space, and then I'm going to do 2 more. Now we're going to be attaching the triangle with some jump rings in between the 2 sections at the bottom. And you can actually wrap on the beads in all of the sections in whatever order you'd like. I actually did a different order with the second earring. So I've got that little tiny space, just enough to attach our triangle with 2 jump rings. And I believe those jump rings are a 6 or 7 millimeter jump ring. Then I've got these incredibly beautiful nun design ear wires that I'm attaching the whole earring to. And I just think that it's such a fun earring, colorful, sort of Southwest, geometric, really fun. You can find everything to make these earrings at artbeads.com, and I hope you'll give them a try. Really is a fun project. Thanks so much for watching.